jeepney going to Angeles. And this was already abandoned. Oh, black cat. Always cheap here, always. Sales. Take a look, this is apartments. This apartment for rent also. Silicone case. So how much this case?
150.
Only 150. Okay, first I want to walk to the big church. You see, 1000 coffee. Coffee shop also. Second floor coffee shop. I already filming inside. This is a place with flower shops, many flower shops. See? Valentine's Day, very busy. Yeah, this is church, big church in Angeles City. Jos Sabbat Santas. And church. And turn left. Left side. Take a look. It's welcome to Nepal. I know, because Georgi sometimes pay for electric inside. Before he put... You see many foods. They also buy gold. Buy and sell. You can order also with delivery. And many dental clinics. You see, this is this karaoke for sale. Without electronics. Oh, big line always. Yes, now you know why traffic in the Angeles City. I show to you. Maybe someone interesting. Oh, small electric car. Hi everyone. Today Monday. Now I am in the center of Angeles City, in San Nicolas. San Nicolas, it's downtown of Angeles City. I want to walk and show to you why always traffic in Angeles City. And you can see what's new in the center of Angeles City also. I will walk. Sometimes I will talk. Sometimes I'll not talk. Because I'm shy if people see how I talk with myself. I don't know, I'm not blogger. Before, you know, most of the time I just walk and not talking. But some of subscribers say it better if you talk. Something you say. Okay, I will sometimes talk. It's my setup to filming today. You see, I will go to this place. This is Rotonda. Heavy traffic, you know, from Mabalacat to center of Angeles City. I drive car about 1 hour. And I will show to you why. You can see what's new. First I will walk through Jollibee to Napa Mall. Now I am in the parking Pure Gold, because later I will buy some groceries. That's why I park my car here. This is free parking, but you can give little bit money to security. It's okay. Better give money. I always give money because it's okay. Very happy. Little bit you need to give. But this is parking for free. Also you can park motor. I will show. First I will show to you where you can park motor and tricycles. This is part for motor and tricycles, this area. You see, this is parking. Weather is good today. In Porac, this is location is Porac. If you go to straight, it's Porac, Pampanga. Maybe a little bit rain. Maybe. I hope don't have rain now. I don't bring umbrella. It's okay for me. This is entrance to Pure Gold. Pure Gold working from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Here you can buy for children, for school children, clothes. So many shoes also, you see. It's very cheap here. This is San Nicolas Market. Call it San Nicolas Market. Jeepney going to Angeles University and checkpoint. To main gate. Hansonville also. You see, this is entrance to park car. And this is San Nicolas Market. Because this place is called San Nicolas, Angeles City. You can buy fruits, vegetable. Here pedestrian line. You can walk. But be careful, if you even pedestrian line need to attention. This is left side is System Plus College Foundation. $50 pesos only, 50. Oh good, today police remove motorcycle, because sometimes if they park, not easy to drive. Really, even walk not easy. So many motor cars, sometimes they park here. So pedestrian line attention. What is this? I never been, I don't know what is. Dick Cabrera. Dick Cabrera is a barber shop. Interesting name. Also another barber shop. Sheila. Maybe Dick is name of a barber. I don't know. Yes, here beauty salons. Apartments also. You see, this is apartments here. This is barber shop. This place for barber shop. Beauty salon. Okay. Gandang. Hyang. Oh, dress shop. Here can dress shop. You can cut your good tailor. It's also apartment. And this was already abandoned. Oh, black cat. We have same black cat. Black cat. Sleep, sleep. I not disturb you. You see, this is abandoned. It's look like, you see, interesting. It's look like a garden. Good. And not noisy here, not noisy. Solar lamp also have. Good. Parking for motor. So it's okay. It's center of Angeles City. You can rent. Interesting. Where phone number if can rent, how to rent. I don't know. Excuse me. Do you know how to rent apartment here? You don't.
I don't know. I'm just a customer.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You have to ask them.
They know, but I am shy. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe because interesting. It's a good place.
Kaya nagtatanong, paano daw magano ng apartment, mag-rent?
No, this apartment for rent or not? It's already fully, maybe full booking. Full.
Yes.
Do you know how much about?
8,000.
Only 8,000. Very good. This place very good. Center of Angeles.
Oh.
Yeah, center of Angeles and silent. Okay.
Are you renting for an apartment or
No. It's just for my subscribers. Yeah, I want because some of tourists want to come to Angeles and want to see where I can rent. That's why I show. Maybe
an
someone want.
office? Example, office like that for your subscriber?
No, not office. It's just only a simple video for show where I can live in Angeles City.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
You try here. Turn right and right.
Okay. I will try. Thank you very much.
Take care, sir.
Thank you, and you too. I know. He said that another near river. I know. Also apartment have because I already before been in this place. Mobile phone cover cases. Notary also. Discount. Before 200, now 150. Always cheap here, always. Sales. Yeah, sales, take a look. If you want to change battery in your watch, 100 peso. I already before change. But I can do myself if I have battery. If don't have battery, of course this is good. But you talk about negotiation price first. Optical clinic. Yeah, many dealers here. You can buy everything here. Green jeepney. Green jeepney going to Marisol. Pampang Marisol also. Okay. Now time 4:23. 4:23. Downtown Angeles City. Slippers 100 peso only. Yes, this one also apartment have. This one there. I will check. Yeah, this place.
Yes, sir.
I want to see river. Take a look. Yes, also apartments. Take a look. This is apartments. This apartment for rent also. Yes, center of Angeles City. You see. Okay, and this is river. This is river. Okay. Now open gate. Nighttime we close. Yeah, so many socks also. Yeah, this is river. Yeah, mobile accessories here. Interesting for iPhone. Silicone case. It's original or not?
What are you looking for?
I?
What do you need?
No, interesting. It's for iPhone Air. Silicone case. So how much this case?
150.
Only 150. Very cheap. That's good. Okay, thank you. Original, of course, is not 150, but cheap price. I think in China the same price. You see, very clean, good, very good. Traffic enforcers also here. I see. Guys who don't know, this road is straight. This is one-way road. I see one blogger. He drive in the wrong line. Before, it's maybe 10 years ago. I am shocked, really. He drive from here to straight, but it's one way only. This is Gendra Grand Mall. Tattoo. Yes, this place is mobile markets, and you can change battery also. Okay, first I want to walk to the big church in Angeles, and come back to Nepa Mall, another road. If you go to straight, it's already big church. You can see already. No, thank you. And right side is Nepa Mall. Nepa Mall. Straight is church. This one also interesting. Barber shops, Xerox also. Coffee shop, Apple. А вот is Apple. Oh, you see, microscope, even hit my microscope, repair. Sales also. Barber. Haircut $250. You can see price. You see. Yes. $250. Gentleman's Club. Barber. 3 pairs for 1,000 peso. What is this inside? I don't know. Shoes also. 3 pair. Oh, good. And here, so many. Center of Angeles City. Downtown. So many clothes. Coffee. How much coffee? Americano. Look at price. Americano 49.69 peso. Oh, it's good. Cheaper. I remember Georgi bought before Americano 100 peso in Clark. Here only 50 peso. 1000 coffee. You see, 1000 coffee. 1000 cc coffee takeout. This look like museum house. Yes. Parking area also. You can rent also apartment here, but very expensive, very. I already before talk in another video, and you know price. It's about 100,000, but big apartment. Also coffee shops here. Mobile phone you can buy. I sell already my 13 Pro. Look like new with 10 cases. I sold out for 19,000 peso. I post 20,000, but they want 16, 15,000. I said no, 19,000 peso it's minimum, because I give original cases, Apple original, and also Pitaka case also, one Pitaka and 10 another cases. That's why I said 19,000. It's okay, guy can buy. He bought already. He very happy because good phone. So we're going to church location. Coffee shop also. Second floor coffee shop. I already filming inside. Rio Street coffee shop. This one. Rio Street coffee shop in the second floor. It's a good place. Little Johnny supermarket, left side. This one. Little Johnny supermarket. It's already McDonald's. McDonald's, Angeles City. I don't have people inside. Very few. I will show to you left side of this road, and when I come back, I will go back to Nepa Mall. You can see right side. It's a place with flower shops, many flower shops. See? We have website, Facebook also, delivery also have. So you can order, have contact number. Before Valentine's Day, we busy. Yeah, we will busy before Valentine's Day. And during Valentine's Day also. Already soon, we prepare. We already near church. Church in Angeles City. You see guys, this road also one way. You cannot turn here, only one way road. So when you drive in Angeles City, you need to check road sign, because it's important. Sometimes they change. This is a library. Angeles City Library. I never been inside before. Maybe not allowed, but you can read here. What is this? This one. Yes. And also museum. You can watch also museum video. And before I filming already. Thank you. Yeah, this is church. Big church in Angeles City. And I show to you museum, but I not go inside. I already been inside before.
Shanghai?
This time always traffic because time is few people come back to home. This is street foods. Today not so many street foods. Take a look. Bibinka have drinks. Yeah, not so many. This left side is a museum, Angeles City. This museum is free, but you need give donation. Before I already filming, I give donation to museum. You can watch video in playlist. Another playlist. Okay. Santos, Jos Abad Santos. Okay, we're going to through pedestrian line. So this is center of Angeles City. Another side also culinarium have. Culinarium. Okay. I never been in near Angels University. Holy Angels University. Street foods. Holy Angels University. Take a look. Traffic here. This is entrance to university. Many students here. Of course, many street foods also. Okay, I go into Nepa Mall. Direction Nepa Mall. Another side is BPI, police station number 1. Okay. And church. Sunday many people. Sunday evening. So busy. And now also full parking. Philippine Rabbit Angeles DAO. Oh, I know this guy. Always use. I don't know how to say in English. It's electric scooter maybe. In front also flower shop. Yeah, many flowers. Pandayan bookshop. Pandayan bookshop. It's big bookshop. Angeles branch. Maybe have another branches. I don't know. Okay. Metrobank. Now I'm on the way to the Nepa Mall. And I show to you another entrance to Nepa Mall. Someone don't know. This is Kamalik restaurant. Kamalik restaurant. It's parking for Kamalik visitors only. I already filming inside in Kamalik restaurant. And take a look, I will show to you where is entrance to Nepa Mall. Another entrance. You see. And turn left. Left side. Take a look. It's welcome to Nepa Mall. It's already, if you're going to straight, it's a Nepa Mall. Escalator have mini donuts. Yes. I not go because aircon. Today I will show only outside. Color Brazilian. 2000 peso. But Shira I know pay 1500 for change color. Coffee shop, Figaro. Muffin 150 peso. About 150. 149. If go straight, it's already Jumbo Genera. Oh, Jumbo Genera. Grand Mall Genera Mall. Not Jumbo Genera, sorry. Grand Mall Genera Mall. And we're going to Nepa Mall. And this one is RCBC Bank. Already pool hub already open. I filming before and I said already have but price rates, you see. KTV rates also. You see pool hub. Mostly for KTV. Third floor pool hub and KTV maybe first floor. It's very close to Nepa Mall and Grand Genera Mall. It's already Nepa Mall. You see, Nepa Mall. Parking Nepa Mall. Moto parking. $15 3 hours. And here street foods. This is main entrance of Nepa Mall. I don't want to go inside because cold inside for me. Aircon. But I see in Center Anangelis many electrical bikes. Maybe allowed. I don't know. I know in Manila not allowed. But Angeles City I see so many don't have checkpoint. I think allowed. I don't know. Please comment about who know. Security Bank. go to pedestrian line. In pedestrian line, little bit safety. When you walk here without line. Yeah, better walk through pedestrian line. So this one you can see Nepa Mall. Nepa Mall. Today I just walk for you because later I need to buy grocery. Yes, of course, I can buy grocery in Mabalakat, but I need to walk. I won't walk now, and I won't walk evening also before sleep in the Clark. And now I walk, and I will buy grocery later. This is Quad, Nepa Center. Evening, many people here. You can buy some food, street foods also. Many coffee shops. I don't want to go inside. You already I'm filming already before. This McDonald's. Thank you. McDonald's parking. And this one, you see, is New Point. Nepa New Point, this one. If you want go to Angeles Electric Corporation, you need to go to the straight and you can see building Angeles Electric Corporation. I know, because Georgi sometimes pay for electric inside. Before he pay, now he pay through Gcash already. But if he needs some document, he go to Angeles Electric. That's why I helped to him before. Sometimes this road is closed for party, for some, if for holidays. And I will go to popular street foods. Many students buy street foods in this place. I will show to you now. And this parking. 5 peso you need to pay if you park motor here. 5 peso. Park guy very close. You see this. He help also. You see electric bike allowed to use. Yeah, this is park guy. 5 peso he pay. Strong. So parking for motor. And I will show to you street foods from here. Toto Beats. Toto Beats street foods. You see many foods. Bulalo also have beef mali. Beef mali same bulalo. I like. But so many fry, of course. You see fry. I cannot eat fry. Drinks. 20 peso, 25 drinks. Okay. Okay, now I want to show to you why traffic. Why not easy go to Angeles City. At first here, you see, road works. So this road is closed. Open, but half road only. What's why traffic also? It's going to what Pandan, I forgot name. Little bit faster because I want to show to you what happened in the road in Angeles City. Why traffic? This is Porak Angeles Terminal. Before I show to you the road where close, it's going to Porak. It's very close from Angeles City, maybe 20 minutes. Just 20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. And many times we've been with Shire, we used motor before. To Porak. Porak have also park. If you want to go to Subic, also through Porak, you can drive. You can see this straight is Nepa Mall. Small market. Tesla in the Philippines. Model Y, maybe. I don't know. Please write comment what kind of Tesla. You see, this is road, it's one way only. Some of people don't know. Only one way. Pedestrian line here don't have. This bridge is the same river before we already seen. Same. If straight, you can see another. It's already main road in Angeles City, near Nepa Mall. This is one-way road. So important who first time drive car in Angeles City. You need to more attention. Fire station, center of Angeles City fire station. Nova department store, Chinese market. Classic cafe, amazing. Dental clinic also have. And I will show to you where I can buy gold in Angeles City. But better buy in Manila, in Chinatown, cheaper. Before I bought in for Shira in Chinatown from Saudi Arabia. But now gold better not buy because high price already. Jollibee, San Nicolas. I will show to you cheapest gold shop here. Have also another side of the road. But here, and always many people, always here many people, you see. Yes, you can buy, they also buy gold, buy and sell. And another side also. You see, electric bikes allowed here. Bobila Dental Clinic. Bobila. Oh, meat. Already cooked. Baboy. Thank you. In Tagalog is baboy?
Yes,
Baboy. Lechon, yes, okay, thank you. Pork chair. Okay, you see this also. You can order also with delivery. And the delivery to party, if you want party, you just call. And many dental clinics, you see, this is a road. Dental clinics, so many dental clinics. Manga, 60 peso only, manga. San Nicolas public market and pure gold also. Another side you can also sell gold, but you see, don't have people. Cheaper, I already showed to you before. More cheaper. I don't know why. One reason, I think, many people here and pay attention to if you buy gold, for example. That's why it's not good if someone see. So we need to straight more. I show to you why traffic always. О, good restaurant. Dainty, dainty. Look good inside. We are open. Also prepare for Chinese New Year. Many decoration. Oh, new house construction. I don't know what we do. Maybe supermarket. I don't know. Yeah, many electric bikes here, many. So in Angeles City allowed. McDonald's. McDonald's, Angeles City. If Shaira walked with me, she said, okay, I want to go to McCoffee, Ice Coffee Chocolate. But Shaira now in the same Clark with her old sister. Later I will go pick up her. Maybe I will eat also in the same Clark. Oh, you see. Karaoke for sale. You see this karaoke for sale. Without electronics. And they put electronics inside later. Oh, you see small. Interesting. Small karaoke. Interesting also. So you know now where location. Angeles City. People waiting jeepney. Oh, big line always. For tricycle, or jeepney, I will check now. Oh, you see, maybe jeepney, because tricycle available now. You see so many people. Of course, time now 5 p.m. Of course, many people can go to home. Bike shop. Everything from China. Everything. So you can buy not expensive, cheaper than in the SM store, of course. Robinson Appliances. Today long walk, long. I know you don't like only walking. Most of subscribers want walking street only. But for me better walk in the normal places, not walking street. People more kind here. It's true Philippines. Walking street, it's not the same. GRS Express. Soon I will show to you why traffic. Alpha Mart. Take a look. You can see why traffic in Angeles City. Now after 5 will not work. Don't have construction workers. But before daytime, excavator here. Many workers. That's why not easy to drive. Traffic, heavy traffic. You see. Yes, now you know why traffic in the Angeles City. You see. Already cement here. Okay, I'm not going. I will come back. Take a look. This way going to Pampang Market. So if turn left, you turn to Pampang Market already. Near Furniture Center. Okay, I come back to San Nicolas Market. I will switch off camera because it's not interesting already for you. I already one way walk and switch on maybe in market, near market. I'm already near San Nicolas Market. Odessa. It's Odessa. Right side you can see Philippine Rabbit bus station before. Time now 5:21. This is McDonald's right side. Left side we turn to San Nicolas Market. And I will show to Jumbo Genera, also parking here. This is one-way road also. You cannot go to from market to the main road. Only one way. This is Jumbo Genera parking. Cheaper than in Nepa Mall, Sam, Clark. And many people, of course. Many people. Parking free, but not easy to find parking space here. Always busy parking. It's good now. Police remove motor cars here. Sometimes they park and not easy to drive. It's better now. You can see already market, San Nicolas market. Okay, I walk through the market. I show to you maybe someone interesting. Rotonda right side, but we're going to straight. I will finish video and I also want to buy some vegetable and fruits also.
Ba't mo kasi kinuha na naisip mo?
Lapit, oh.
Vamos.
Ele, oh. Yes. Ah.
Oh, small electric car. It's good. Better than try. More safety.
Alam mo kinakain.
some groceries in the Pure Gold Angeles City near San Nicolas Market. And also I will go to buy some vegetable and fruits also in the market. And see you in the next video. Also thank you for watching. Take a look, very good sunset in Angeles City. Okay, I'll show to you a little bit from the roof. See nice sunset, center of Angeles City, San Nicolas Market. Okay, thank you for watching again.